5 secret energy powers of salt. How to cleanse, protect, and elevate your frequency. Have you ever walked into a room and instantly felt drained? Or woken up feeling like something was off without knowing why? What if there was an invisible force affecting your energy and the answer to shielding yourself was as simple as salt? Today, we're unlocking 5 powerful secrets of salt that ancient civilizations knew and that you can start using today to cleanse, protect, and raise your vibration. The true nature of salt, more than just a mineral. Before we dive into the secrets, let's talk about salt itself. It's not just a seasoning, it's a powerful crystalline structure with unique energetic properties. Salt comes from ancient seabeds, evaporated ocean waters, and deep within the earth. Many spiritual traditions consider salt a conduit for energy, able to absorb negativity and act as a bridge between the physical and metaphysical worlds. But how do you use it effectively? Let's dive in. Secret number 1, salt in your shoes. The ultimate energy reset. Have you ever wondered why so many ancient practices involve placing salt on the ground or in the home? One of the simplest but most powerful ways to clear your energy field is by sprinkling a little salt inside your shoes. Why? Because our feet connect us to the earth's energy, absorbing both good and bad vibrations throughout the day. Salt acts as a barrier, preventing negativity from clinging to you and draining your energy. Many cultures, from Asia to Europe, have used this technique for centuries to shield themselves from spiritual attacks and unwanted energies. Try this. Before stepping out in the morning, sprinkle a pinch of sea salt in your shoes. At the end of the day, notice how you feel lighter, more centered? Let us know in the comments. Secret number 2, the salt water purge. Release heavy energy instantly. Ever felt an unexplainable heaviness in your aura? There's a reason spiritual practitioners worldwide swear by salt baths. When you soak in salt water, it's not just about relaxing, it's a full-body energy detox. The negative ions in salt help discharge electromagnetic and psychic debris from your system, restoring balance. Deep dive. In Hindu traditions, salt water baths cleanse the aura of past karma. In Shinto beliefs, salt purification is part of sacred rituals. Across cultures, salt has been a key to energy renewal. How to use it? Add a handful of sea salt to your bath and visualize the water pulling away all negativity. If you don't have a bathtub, soak your feet in a saltwater solution. Your body will still absorb its benefits. Secret number 3, salt at your doorway. The oldest protection ritual. What if there was an ancient practice used by the Romans, Celts, and even early American settlers that could prevent negative energy from ever entering your home? The answer lies in something you probably already have in your kitchen. If you often feel drained after guests leave your home, there's a reason. Our homes absorb the energies of everyone who enters, and some leave behind more than just footprints. Sprinkling a thin line of salt across your doorway creates an energetic filter, preventing negative energies from entering. Ancient wisdom. The Celts, Romans, and even early American settlers used salt as a protective barrier against unwanted spirits. In Japanese Shinto traditions, salt is often placed at doorsteps before important ceremonies to purify the space. How to do it? Sprinkle a fine line of salt at your front door and windowsills. If you feel a heavy energy lingering, sweep it up and replace it with fresh salt. Secret number 4, salt in a glass of water. The hidden energy tracker. What if I told you that salt can actually reveal the unseen energy in your space? A simple glass of salt water can act as an energetic sponge, absorbing hidden negativity. How it works? Place a glass of water with a spoonful of salt in the room where you feel uneasy. Leave it for 24 hours and observe. If the water turns cloudy or the salt crystallizes in strange patterns, your space may be holding on to stagnant energy. Pro tip: change the water daily until it remains clear, signaling a purified environment. Pause this video and go place a glass of salt water in the room where you feel the heaviest energy. Then, come back and tell us what happened in 24 hours. Secret number 5. Salt under your pillow. A forgotten sleep hack, struggling with restless sleep, vivid nightmares, or waking up at 3 a.m. Salt might be the missing ingredient. In many traditions, placing a small pouch of salt under your pillow is believed to protect against night disturbances and negative entities. Why it works: salt absorbs electromagnetic and spiritual interference, creating a clean, energetic space for deep rest. In many indigenous and Eastern practices, salt is used to ground the subconscious mind, preventing erratic energy shifts during sleep. Try this tonight. Place a small bag of natural salt under your pillow and see if you notice deeper, more peaceful sleep. Are you ready to harness the power of salt? Salt has been used across cultures for purification, protection, and energy balancing for thousands of years. The real question is, are you using it to its full potential? Which of these salt secrets surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a chance to raise your frequency. One of our subscribers tried the salt at the door trick and messaged us the next day. "I don't know what happened, but I slept like a baby for the first time in months.